Hello and welcome. In this video, I shall deal with the topic on Griffith experiment, which is one of the foundations for the evidences to prove DNA as the genetic material through a process known as transformation. In 1928, Griffith carried out a series of experiments with the bacteria Pneumococcus, which is now known as Diplococcus, and there were two types of bacteria, namely virulent and avirulent bacteria. Virulent strains had smooth carbohydrate capsules and gave smooth colonies, whereas avirulent strains had no capsules and gave rough colonies. When virulent strains were injected into mice, they killed them by causing pneumonia fever. When avirulent strains were injected into mice, there was no ill effect. When heat killed virulent strains were injected, mice survived. When mice are injected with a mixture of avirulent and heat-killed virulent bacteria, the mouse dies. The analysis of dead mice shows that they contain virulent bacteria. The heat-killed virulent bacteria are responsible for the transformation of rough colonies or avirulent bacteria into virulent smooth bacteria. Something from the heat-killed dead bacteria was transferred to the live avirulent bacteria. As a result, the avirulent bacteria are transformed into virulent bacteria. This phenomenon is known as bacterial transformation, which induced the conversion of avirulent bacteria to virulent bacteria, named as transforming principle according to Griffith. In this section, you will find a few lists of references. However, the experiment of Griffith demonstrated transformation, but they did not hint at the identity of the transforming principle. Later, it was shown by the other scientists that DNA is the transforming principle. Thank you.